Te whare wānanga o Awanuirangi has inspired a passion for lifelong learning, so I feel my journey has only just begun. Tēnā koutou katoa. Ko Dylan Te Kaniahau, ko Ngaiterangi tōku iwi. At 44 years of age, I've been working in healthcare for a number of years and felt I needed a degree for any real credibility. What was also apparent was the inequities in health that exist for Māori, for many reasons. I wanted to understand why these issues existed and contribute to the discussion advocating for change in the health system to respond to the health needs and aspirations of our whānau, hapu and iwi. Te Tohi Toi Tangata provided that and more, a journey of self-discovery, identity reclamation, and learning in how power and authority works to create and maintain itself. The whare wānanga setting and approach certainly fosters our values and beliefs that sets Te Whare Wānanga o Awanuirangi apart from other university institutions. The combination of online learning and weekend wānanga enabled me to work full-time while studying, allowing me to apply my learnings directly within the workplace. Te Tohi Toi Tangata, the Bachelor of Humanities, is a degree about people that I encourage all people to undertake. Katoi au, katoi au. Katoi au ki te rangi, katoi au ki te whenua e takoto nei. Tēnā koutou katoa.